Here's a demonstration of an inexpensive 4-channel remote control module from China. It can be used to control 2 electric motors with reversing capability. That's done by wiring the relays and the motors in a bridge mode so that the relays reverse the power to the motors. Extremely simple. Here we have a little remote control unit. If we press button A, that is energizing relay A, and this motor is going anti-clockwise. If we press B, the polarity is reversed and the motor runs clockwise. Similarly, if we press C, this motor runs clockwise, and press D, this motor runs anti-clockwise. I'll use one motor to run the vehicle and one motor for the steering.